All right, does this brand social media suck or does it slap? I'm starting off with Hilton. Yeah, Hilton the hotel. By my first look at the feed, I'm starting to think they might slap. The first video I see is a giveaway from Paris Hilton. Look, 1, great play. Hilton, right? Number 2, anything you can do to get more comments. And I think if you can do a giveaway successfully, go ahead and do it. And with her, it looks great. People are loving it. They're going for the points. They want to win, so they're commenting and they're excited to comment. Good start. Then we got another big partnership with Blake McGrath, and it looks like it's funny, it's cool, they're dancing. I mean, look, this page so far is honestly awesome. And next, I see they're diving into cultural events. Here, they have the England soccer team with the Hilton robe staying at the hotel, diving into the World Cup for views. Absolutely genius, spot on. Hilton, you're killing it so far. Then I see another giveaway with Paris Hilton, 1 million views. If it's not broke, keep it rolling. Next video, we have Pierce Abernathy. I don't know who that is, but again, they're really crushing the collabs. They're doing the paid partnership in a good way. But this one has 22 million views. I mean, they are really onto something. Their collabs are hitting. It looks like this guy's a chef, so he's giving his perspective. He's showing the cooking, how good the restaurants are. I mean, just hats off. And this one got more views than their expensive people. So hey, great job. Anytime you can find someone who's not as big but has more of a niche and you can get more views than you did paying someone like Paris Hilton, that's a massive hit to me. And there's no giveaway in this. It's just great content. Oh wow, now they're doing something with Deepika. I don't know who this is, but she's got 80 million followers. I mean, man, Hilton must really write some checks to keep their social media going. And the list goes on. I see they did the England thing multiple times. They really dove into the World Cup. They do so many different paid partnerships. They spend a lot to make this social pop. So yes, I would say overall Hilton's doing great, but I still feel like I might get more impressions than them with ClickUp, and I'm not paying near the amount they are for these brand partnerships. But hey, I'd rather see you pay to play than just lose in general. So hats off to Hilton overall. Your social media does slap. It is expensive, but you know what? It's got me watching, and I'll continue to follow. And let me know, who should I do next? I don't want to keep just randomly doing this. Whose social should I check in and give a real audit in? I want to let you know if it sucks or if it slaps.